I'm going to go through my latest build, starting off with this Asus ROG Strix Z790 motherboard, pairing it with the i9 13900K. Flip up the tab from the LGA socket and place down the CPU, matching the arrows on the CPU and motherboard. Flip down the bracket and then close the latch. Pull the second and fourth tab open, and I went with 32 gigabytes of G.Skill DDR5 at 7200. Once you have them facing the correct way, push down and you'll hear a solid click. Onto the NVMe drive. This motherboard has 4 slots, and I'm going to use the first slot for this 1TB Samsung 980. And a lot of newer motherboards are going to this tab instead of a small screw, which makes it nice and easy. Don't forget to peel off the plastic for the thermal pad. This pencil screwdriver you can find on Amazon for around 40 bucks. It comes in handy. Now, I wanted to move the USB slots from the Lian Evo case to the side. So one screw above it and pull the tab and slide it up. The motherboard doesn't come with an LGA cooler bracket. It'll be with whatever cooler you go with. Once the board is on the standoffs, it has 9 screws. These are the case cables. The Lian Evo case has 5 that go to the motherboard and 1 SATA cable connected to the power supply. Removing the fan bracket to screw on the 360mm radiator. Using Nocturne thermopaste, it comes with cleaner wipes. I just went with a simple X on the CPU. There's multiple ways you can go about applying the paste. And screw down the cooler in a star pattern. And the nzxt cooler has 2 cables off the pump. This is a 1000 watt evga supernova power supply. You'll have 2 CPU cables, 1 24-pin motherboard cable, 3 for the GPU, and 1 for SATA. I do have cable extensions to give it a cleaner look in the case. It makes for more bulk in the back of the case to manage. Now peel off 14,000 protective plastics. Went with the Lian Evo vertical mount for the GPU. Put the graphics card into the slot until you hear a click. And 2 thumb screws and your cables. plugging in the SATA cable for the case. And as you can tell, I did have Arctic fans in it originally, but decided to grab some Lian Infinity fans. Now, I do wish more companies would adopt the way fans connected. It eliminates so much cable management. They are very expensive fans, but totally worth it. Thanks for watching. Let's see how it turned out.